Hello Bladers! If you are a daily car user, here are some tips on how you can survive your number coding day. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the survival tips for a coding day. Number 1. Always bring your office clothes, a set of extra clothes and an umbrella. Funny as it may sound, but we all know the Philippines is a very tropical country and commuting in your office clothes is not really applicable all the time. Either it's too hot during summer, or too wet during the rainy season. To make sure you don't compromise your dress to impress look for the day, travel first in your most comfortable and breathable clothes and change to your best office clothes once you arrive. It'll make you look and smell fresher. Umbrella will be your best friend to shield you from the sun and the rain. Number 2. Leave the house early. Traffic in the Philippines is unbelievable. You have to make sure that on this special day when you have to go through both traffic and squeezing yourself in the bus or MRT to get to work on time, do a little sacrifice, and wake up and leave the house extra early to avoid rush hour. Number 3. If commuting by bus, Jeep or MRT isn't really your option, use ride-hailing apps. If you're running in late or you just can't stand the bus ride, Jeepney and MRT/LRT experience, you can always opt to use the ride-hailing apps such as Grab. Yes, it may cost you ridiculously more, but if you are after the comfort of an air-conditioned, solo ride, then you may totally ignore additional costs. Number 4. Leave the office later than usual. Yes, you have left the house extra early today and you think you deserve to be under the sheets at an earlier time too. It's actually a lovely thought. However, it is not always possible to leave the office earlier than the designated clock-out time. Well, unless you're willing to go under time, have some deductions, or worse, get reprimanded. This day is actually the perfect day to work late and earn extra cash from rendering overtime. You can finish all your pending reports or paperworks, go home with lesser heat and no sun to endure, plus vehicles will be less congested. Post overtime, take time to go around the mall and get a decent dinner so when you arrive home, all you have to do is take a shower and doze off. Indeed, going through a day without your car is difficult, but inevitable. What you can do instead is just take this time to see places within your vicinity that you're missing on your normal day riding your car. This way, you can discover new places, find interesting stuff and explore new tambayans that you could, later on, enjoy with your friends. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.